Hello and welcome back to another fake bake video. If this is your first time here, my name is Maria and welcome to Siempre Infinitos DIY. Hope you enjoy! I'm going to leave a list of all of the items that I use in this video. I'm also going to leave another list of some of the items that I purchased. For example, the glue gun or the glue sticks in case you ladies are looking for something similar. I like working with clay because it's very forgivable. It blends very well. By dabbing the clay with this old toothbrush, it's going to give me that cheesecake texture that I'm looking for. So I went online and I wanted to order some fake pecans, but because they were going to take too long to arrive, I just chose to make some by hand, and they were very simple. I made actually two different colors. One was, not two different colors, two different colors of clay. One was brown and the other one was white. And both of them, I just painted them with chocolate brown paint. And then for the white part, I use cafe au lait. And then try to mimic the real pecan that I'm holding here in my hand. So I'm going to use this light orange glue stick and a brown glue stick for my caramel and chocolate syrup. And if you don't have either one, you can use fabric paint. But before I do that, I'm going to paint the entire top of the pie with this caramel color. While the clay was still soft, I went ahead and added some of these nuts and the crust. I didn't have to worry about using any glue. Now, I do recommend you cover or seal your entire pie with the ModPodge. This will prevent any cracks. So I'm just using a tweezers to clean it up a bit. Some of the glue was too thin and it almost looked like little spider webs, if that makes any sense. The more I add the chocolate drizzle, the more I want to bake a real pecan caramel cheesecake. Doesn't it look yummy? I hope I inspire you guys to make one. If not, a real one. And if you do make a real one, send me the recipe. Anyways, my friends, until the next fake bake video, stay safe, be kind, bye.